Hello friends, in this lecture I will discuss about the radius ratio rules for solid state chemistry. Okay, at first we will take a cubical structure. It may be for BCC structure, body center cube, that's mean face center, that's mean actually octahedral, tetrahedral, and in this position we can get triangular. So for this region we will discuss about the radius. What is the radius ratio? Radius ratio means the radius of cation divided by radius of anion. It maintains a ratio for tetrahedral, octahedral, okay, body center, triangular, linear, okay. Why? Always you know about the size of cation is less than size of anion. Okay, always. It is very true. Size of cation, when a compound will form, then the size of cation and size of anion, it is always not a comparable or not equal, but size of cation always less than size of anion. Okay. Hence the ratio must be in between 0 to 1, and for triangular the ratio will be in between 0.155 to 0.225, and for tetrahedral it will be 0.2252 to 0.414. For octahedral it will be 0.414 to 0.732, and the radius ratio for body center cube it will be in between 0.732 to 1. Okay. Now I want to go for calculation. Let us body center cube. Let us, this is a body center cube. Then in the 8 corner there are atom, and in the body there is atom. Now what happened? What happened? For body center cube, if this is cation, then the radius of this is a anion, this is cation, okay. Then the body diagonal, this body diagonal, what will be the body diagonal? Body diagonal, and this is the face diagonal. This is a face. So this is the face diagonal, and the radius of anion is RA, then it will be RA. Then what is this? What is this? This phase diagonal must be equal to root 2a, because this is a, this is also a, hence it will be root 2a. Clear? Now this is the R, if it is anion, then this is RA, this is RA, this is RC, this is also RC, this is also RA. So this is actually body diagonal. Okay, this is actually body diagonal. Then if it is this body diagonal, then if we square this, then what happens? This square plus this square. What is this? What is this? That's mean actually this is a hypotenuse, this is a base. Okay, what was the base? This is base. Then it will be RA plus RA square, this is plus this one square. That's mean what was that? Root 2a. If it is a, then this is root 2a. And what is the value of a? A is actually RA plus RB, RC. Actually RA, RA. Clear? Now, what? 2 root 2 RA square. If it is, what is this? RA plus RA. That's mean 2RA. So what is this? Root 2RA. So root 2RA square plus 2RA square equal to body diagonal. Okay. Then what happened? This is actually 2RA plus 2RC square equal to 2RA square, then plus 2 root 2A the square. Clear? Then যদি আমরা স্কয়ার আকারে এটাকে করে দিই তাহলে কত আসে? 2RA square plus 2RA into 2RC plus 2RC square equal to 2RA square plus 2 into 2RA third square. Okay, then 2RA, there is a 2RA, there is a 2RA plus 2RA, that is 3. This is 1, that's 1 is cancelled out, that 1 is cancelled out. Okay, clear? Then what happened? Then we can write in this way that RC by RA square equal to, or this is plus, then 2RC by RA minus 2, so minus 2 equal to 0. Now you know the Siddharth formula, mathematical formula. This is actually x, the value of a is 1, then 2x minus c, then what happened? Then RC by RA equal to actually you know that minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Yes, then it will be minus b, that's in minus 2 plus minus, and it will be only plus. Okay, root over, why it is plus? Because this is a value, it will not be minus. Okay, this is a constant value, positive value, always radius ratio is positive value, not minus. Then root over b square, that is 4a square, minus 4 ac, a is 1, c is 2, okay, that is minus 2. Then what happened? it will be 12 divided by 2 into a minus 1, then what will be the value? It will be 0.732. Okay, so this is the radius ratio of this, and hence it is a body center cube. So from the body center cube, the ratio is this. So in between 0.732 to 1, this is the limiting, that's means the lower value of radius ratio, and higher value, maximum value will be 1. And if the radius ratio in between 0.73 to 1, then it will be body center cube. Okay, then if we go to calculate for tetrahedral structure, then what happened? Let us consider, if it is a tetrahedral structure, that's means it is a cube, then if I go to this one, okay, and if this is 1, then this is a tetrahedral. And if there is a cation, if this is a cation, okay, if this is a cation, then what happens? Then actually this is void, we can take it tetrahedral void, or it is cation, this is anion. Then from here to here it is √3, okay, a, that's mean this is √3a body diagonal, and the value of this body diagonal will be R, if it is anion, then RA plus RC plus RC, this is 2 RC there, 2 cationic radius, then plus RA. So body diagonal will be this, and this is the phase diagonal. What is the phase diagonal? Value of the phase diagonal? What will be the value of the phase diagonal? This is RA, this is RA, okay, this is also RA, this is actually √2a, this is anion, this is anion, then there is a touch, phase diagonal, then RA plus RA, actually √2a, the edge length of the cube is a, then what will be the RA? √2 by 2 into a, this is RA, clear? RA equal to a by, or √2a by 2, clear? Okay, now this is the actual equation. Another equation is this, then we can say that it is 2RA plus 2RC. So 2RA plus 2RC actually √3a. Now this √3a, okay, this is value, then we can say that 2RA plus 2RC equal to √3a, and 2a equal to √2a. Okay, then what happened? Then if we divide this portion by RA, from here we can get 2 plus 2 RC by RA, divided by RA in both sides, okay, √3a by A by RA, radius of anion. Then what is the radius of anion? There is a value. That's mean you can say √3 A divided by, what is the value of RA? RA means √2 by 2 into A. A cancel out. Okay. Then what happen? A is cancel out. Then what happen? 2 plus 2 RC by RA equal to √3 into 2 by √2. Yes. Then 2 and 2 cancel out. That's mean RC by RA equal to √3 by √2 minus 1. Then what will be the value of this? Okay, this value must be equal to 0.225. It will be 0.225. Okay, so for tetrahedral structure, the minimum value of radius ratio, it will be this. So in this way you can get that in between 0.225 to 0.414, if the ratio of cation by anion is this, then the structure must be equal to tetrahedral structure. And what will be the octahedral structure? We already see this, but it should calculate. Octahedral, what is octahedral? Octahedral means, already discussed about, like in this way, if it is square, then there is a cation, then if there is an anion, there is an anion, then this is a pyramid and this is again another pyramid. So this is the octahedral void, or this is the cation, and all are in anion. Okay. Then how we can calculate cation, radius of cation by radius of anion, and what will be the coordination number? Okay. And here for octahedral, this is actually face center cube also. Okay, face center cube is also a octahedral structure, and its base means any base, that is 2RA base. This is 2RA. This is anion and radius, anion and radius. Then hypotenuse. What will be the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, that's mean a radius of, that's mean actually if it is face, this is cation, if anion, cation, then what will be this? This is actually 2 anion plus 2 cation RC. Okay. So this is phase diagonal. Okay. So what will be this? This is actually this one plus this one square. Okay. This one plus this one square. Then what happened? 2RA plus 2RC square. Okay. 2RA plus 2RC square. That's mean can say 2RA plus 2RC square equal to 2RA square plus 2RC square. Clear? So if we rearrange it, then 2RA square plus 2 into 2RA into 2RC equal to 2RA square plus 2RC square equal to 2RA square plus 2RC square. Okay, then what happened? 2RA is cancel out, 2RA square cancel out. Okay, then what happened? Then it remains it that RC by RA, if we divide by this way, then what is this? RC by RA plus 2 into RC by RA minus 1 equal to 0. Then RC by RA equal to minus 2 plus minus, what is this? Plus minus, actually it will be plus over 8 by 2. Then the value will be 0.414. Clear? Okay, so what is this? It is the RA plus RC plus RC plus RA. This hypotenuse actually 2RA plus 2RC, and what will be this? This is actually, if this is y square, this is square, this is actually RA. Okay, this is RA, because this is RA, this is RA, this is RA, this is RA, but this is RA, RC, RA. Okay, so this is the radius ratio. So in this way we can get this type of radius ratio, and this is very important for competitive exam. Okay, thank you.